Connecting into corrugated pipe is very easy. This is going to be a short video on how to make that connection. So you're going to use either a Sawzall or a box knife to do this. Go ahead and expose your corrugated main line and place your fitting on top of it to get your measurement. You can also use a tape measure for this, but I find it easier just to count the ridges. Once you have your measurement, go ahead and cut that section of pipe out and remove it. Now, another tip, dig a little extra around these pipes so that you can maneuver them and bend them to put your fitting into place. Once you have that done, you're going to want to use a very good tile tape, and you're going to tile tape up the joints. This is very important to keep water in and keep roots out. The way I like to do this is slide the fitting on the first end of pipe, go ahead and apply my tile tape, and then I will slide it onto the other end of the pipe and apply the tile tape there. The very last joint I'm going to tile tape is my lateral line that I'm connecting into my main. And as you can see, that's all there is to it. If you're a DIYer planning on installing a French drain or a yard drain around your home or property, and you want to use the French Drain Man's high octane armored pipe, give us a call. We can supply you locally. We are based out of Tampa. We sell these coils without the shipping cost that you would have to pay if you were ordering 1 or 2 coils from Michigan. We understand that the freight cost is expensive for just a couple of coils. That is why we are supplying the area. So give us a call at 813-614-3456 and we got you covered. Until next time, this is SWDS signing off.